Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we'll show you how to integrate Gemini AI with Google Apps to enhance your productivity and workflow. To get started, first make sure your Gemini AI account is set up and linked to your Google account. You'll need to head over to the Gemini AI settings and look for the integration section, where you'll find options for Google Workspace. From here, connect Gemini AI to popular Google apps such as Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Drive. Once integrated, you can leverage Gemini's AI capabilities directly within these apps. For example, in Google Docs, Gemini AI can assist with content generation, summarization, or even proofreading. In Google Sheets, you can use Gemini to automate calculations or suggest formula optimizations. You can also ask Gemini to generate data visualizations for your Google Sheets reports. With Gemini AI integrated into your Google Apps, you streamline tasks and unlock a new level of productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.